Aloha, ʻanakē Julie.
Aloha.
I'm here with Kumu Leihi'ilani and ʻanakē Julie, and she's the organizer of what was Lei Day by the Bay. Of course, the horrible floods happened on Kauai, and Lei Day by the Bay had to be canceled. So just as a little bit of background, can you tell us your role as organizer for Lei Day by the Bay and what Lei Day by the Bay is all about?
Oh gosh. Yeah,
Get the
that's a lot
Singaporeans
of,
to come.
Yes, we need the Singaporean contingent to come.
Definitely. Well, it is to perpetuate the Hawaiian culture. That's our main goal,
Right.
to make sure that we're promoting our language and our music, through hula,
Yes.
our food, the cultural traditions, making sure that it doesn't die, and we want to keep perpetuating it. That's part of one of our goals as our Hawaiian Civic Club. Ahui Kivila, Hawaii o Mo'ikeha is the name of our Hawaiian Civic Club. We're the ones that sponsor and put the event on.
Right.
And this would have been our 7th year.
Wow.
Yeah, so we've been doing it for 7 years. Every year it's been growing more and more. More people are coming. And we're really proud of the fact that we've been able to perpetuate the culture and to bring in the groups that we have to give access to the people of the North Shore.
Right.
Because everything comes so central in the central part of the island, not much gets up on the North Shore. Yeah.
Right.
So it's important to us.
North Shore people.
Right, for the community. Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. And now that the horrible floods have happened and Hanalei is virtually semi-destroyed.
Yeah.
We're not having that at Hanalei Bay. What are the plans for the future? Because I think you still want to have the show.
We still want to have the show in some way, shape, or form. It's not going to actually be Lei Day by the Bay,
Right.
but we'll still have entertainment. The county is supporting the community effort to do this maybe as a stress relief concert,
Right.
to, just have all the residents and the visitors, whoever's here, come in and just enjoy a day.
Oh, wonderful.
Just enjoy the day, the music, the fellowship. People can catch up with each other, have a central place to come.
Yes.
And so we're probably looking end of July, sometime in August, to get it back together.
Okay. Well, God bless this
Thank you.
endeavor, and I wish I could be there, but I have to return.
Oh, that's so sad. I'm so sorry, but hopefully we'll see you next year.
Yes.
May
yes.
11, 2019.
May 11. Okay,
Yes,
you already
yes.
have the date.
Yes.
You bring
Wonderful.
all Singapore people.
Yes, we need Singapore representatives. And the hula dancers back home in Singapore, we have Mongolian, Japanese, Javanese, Chinese, and me on Peranakan. We have all kinds of cultures.
That's
and
amazing.
Yeah, and
It's kind of a melting
nationalities.
pot.
It's a melting pot. Yeah. So all these dancers have been praying for Kauai, and we put together a small collection. In the grand scheme of things, it's not a lot, but it comes from our heart.
Oh, that's amazing. That's so
And
beautiful.
since we are Kumu Leihi'ilani's extension, I invite Kumu Lei to
Awesome.
present the
So
money.
much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh,
Mahalo nui loa.
Oh, a'ole pilikia. Mahalo Kumu.
Mahalo for doing that.
That's very sweet.
Yay.
Very sweet.
So aloha from Kauai.